Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in Ivory Tri-Coat. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, quadra-lift air suspension, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row heated seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7330.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.